Let us round off the following numbers to the nearest whole number. Now, when you're asked to round off a number to the nearest whole number, it means that you have to do away with decimal points. So if it has any number in the decimal places, you round them off until you have just a whole number. Now, this is how we do it. For A, we are rounding off 735.012. Now, this would give us, now, recall that the last digit that makes this a whole number is the digit 5. So that means 5 is the digit in our rounding place. So now that we've identified the digit in our rounding place, we then identify the digit next to it, and that digit is 0. And when that digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. But when it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round up. So in this case, we are rounding down because it is 0. That will imply that what we have is 735. Now, every other thing becomes 0, so that is 0.000, which is just the same thing as writing 735. Recall, we are rounding it off to the nearest whole number, meaning we have to do away with decimal numbers. So all the digits that follow the decimal point become 0, and then we do away with them entirely. Now, this is to the nearest whole number. So for B, we have 506.92. This becomes, now remember that the last digit that makes this a whole number is 6. So that is 6 is the digit in our rounding off place. So, and the digit next to that is 9, which is a digit that requires us to round up. That is, we increase our rounding off place by 1. So now we would have 5, 0. Now instead of 6, we increase 6 by 1, and then it becomes 7. Now, of course, it is 0.00, but this is the same thing as writing 507, doing away entirely with the decimal fraction part. So now we get to C, where we have 1,304.57. And this is approximately. Now, identify the digit that is in the rounding off place in this number. If you picked 4, you're correct. And the next digit to it is 5, which implies that we will round up. So we keep every other digit, but increase that digit in the rounding place by 1. So that is, we have 130. Now, instead of 4, we increase it by 1, and then we have 5. Of course, every other thing becomes 0, but since we are rounding to the nearest whole number, it means we can keep our number like this. That's the solution to this problem. Thank you.